Good morning, friends. Welcome to Saksham channel. Today we are going to submit our multidisciplinary project in our school. So before submitting the project, we want to share it with you. So let's start. This is our project. Now this is welcome message. Now this is index. This is introduction of the project. This is the page where details of teachers and student
is available,
and also space is there to give marks by the teacher. Title of the project. From here, English section starts. In this section, interview our grandparents and parents regarding historical places of India.
Stop. Now I will tell. From here, Hindi section starts. In this section, we wrote about Jallianwala Bagh Hatyakand. We also print some photos about Jallianwala Bagh.
From here, math section starts. In this section, some historical places are there with their distances.
Stop. Now I will tell. From here, EVS section starts. In this section, we mention some historical places with their importance. We also located these historical places in political map of India.
From here, scholastic section starts. In this section, we wrote song about Indian history, and also we have drawn some traditional dresses from different part of India. Now sources and references. And finally, thank you to my parents and teacher for supporting us to complete this project. So bye bye.